Hi guys, today I want to talk about an opportunity that pays out 100%, and this program is actually catching fire. The program is called $25 One-Up, and with this program you literally get a business in a box. You'll have every tool you need to market your business and the training you need to make anywhere from $25 up to $100 per day. So if you can cut and paste, you can make money with this opportunity, and here's what I mean. We will provide you with over 100 proven ads you can copy and paste to your Facebook page, and we also give you over 100 groups you can join on Facebook that you can copy and paste your ad to. You can place those ads also on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. We will also provide you with the training to find buyers and prospects on YouTube. These are the kinds of sites that produce the buyers so that you can make a lot of money, and of course we get paid directly, so you never have to wait for a weekly or monthly paycheck. But here's the rub. Once we train you on marketing like this, we will also show you how to build multiple streams of income, and some of those being residual. So this means you get paid whether you work or not. So here's the deal. Maybe you've arrived here because you're looking for a job, or maybe you're looking for a new opportunity, or maybe you're just looking for another stream of income. If any of those is true, click on the link below and see the full story. And please subscribe and ring the bell. In my next video, I will show you how easy it is to copy and paste ads on YouTube.